everybody, it's me Leah and I'm back with another video. Today I decided to create a series based off of the DODO lashes that I've seen the most famous makeup beauty influencer that I've seen lately, Antonio Garza. He uses the DODO lashes and I was like, I'm trying to look like him, so let me go buy those lashes. So hold on. So I bought 4 different styles of lashes. I'm going to be making 4 videos of different styles using these lashes. And I believe it's, so it's the D309 that he uses in like literally, I believe it's like most of his videos. And so I cannot wait, but this video is going to go up last. Today, I'm going to be doing a video with the lashes that I think I'm going to use the most, and that is D328. So, I haven't talked about like my makeup collection at all, which I should talk about, honestly. I'm about to film 3 more videos after I film this one. I'm about to film 2 more videos. I'm about to do a review on my premium lace wig that I've had for about almost 2.5 months now. I've had it for almost 2.5 months now. I'm going to do a video on that, and then I'm also going to do a video on something else. I'm going to do a video on where I get all my makeup from as well. So make sure you stay tuned for those. They should be coming out, I don't know. I might upload them like 3 days in a row or something like that, but today I will be doing a look using these lashes. These are the D328 lashes by DODO Lashes. And just a little info on the website. The website, I mean, was pretty good. Like, it's easy to see like what kind of lashes they are and stuff like that. And I believe these are mink lashes. So I want to say they're having a sale. And I also used Antonio Garza's discount code. And so the D309 was $10. The D313 was $12. The D332 was $5. And then the 328, the one that Antonio Garza uses, were $10. Overall, I spent about $35 with the coupon code, which I don't think is that bad for some lashes. I think what I'm going to do with these is one of my natural looks. So I'm actually going to put on eyeshadow. If I'm going for like a really natural look, I'll just do eyeliner. But today I'm actually going to do eyeshadow. So I'm going to show you guys what I do every day. This is more of an updated look from the video that I posted about a week ago. You tend to switch up my makeup, like the way that I do it and stuff like that, and the makeup that I use pretty often. So let's get started. So first I'm going to use the Baby Skin. I use the Baby Skin on my really oily spots. So I just get a little bit and I put it especially on my nose because that's where I get really oily. My forehead, my cheeks, right here, and my chin. I also have a workout video, not a workout video, but like my little journey that I explained a couple weeks ago. I actually have the first video for that, for jump roping, coming out very soon. I didn't get exactly 2 weeks worth of film, however I did get a significant amount and I noticed a change in my body. Now I'm going to be using the Magic Perfecting Face Primer. This really just like gets my skin super smooth, and when I use it on my clients, yes I have clients, they're like, Leah, where did you get that stuff from? So I'm gonna tell you guys where I got it from, but you have to keep watching for the next video. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is so I shaved half my eyebrow, right? So I actually filmed a video yesterday but that video won't be coming out for the next couple weeks because like there's a reason why I can't upload it just yet. But so what I'm gonna do is I shape my eyebrows to make it easier to create my arch. So I just draw a pointed line, really. With my ABH Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer in the color 4.5. I think it's just their generic concealer, honestly, at this point. But I'm just gonna clean up my brows. I put like a nice amount, you know what I mean? Like it's kind of thick, but it's like really not. But I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques brush and just blend it out. So I use the CoverGirl D50 Matte Made foundation, and it comes with a pump, which I love. I really don't like foundations without a pump, so I just put like, you know, a nice amount on my hand, about one pump. I'll usually do like a pump and a half to be precise, but so just put it on like that. Since this is a natural look, I really don't highlight, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna highlight. Okay, so I'm gonna take my little jelly beauty blender, whatever. I like this so much better than regular beauty blender. And no, this isn't sponsored. I wish. I'm gonna go in with my Palladio matte bronzer. So I'm gonna go in with this Milani translucent powder. I'm gonna put it right here. Basically, I'm gonna put it in the places that I highlighted. But okay, so for my eyeshadow, I'm gonna go strictly from my Subculture palette. And I'm gonna be using this color. And then I'm probably gonna go in with this purple color. I really like purple on me. It's a good substitute for a brown. So I'm gonna apply the yellow shade on my whole entire eye. Now I'm gonna go in with the purple color. Now I'm gonna go off camera and do my eyeliner. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna brush this powder on. Good lord. I'm gonna reapply this. Now I'm gonna go in with this Makeup Forever bronzer and use it as a highlight. Y'all see that glow? Y'all see the glow? Like, look. Ooh. I'm gonna go back in with this note highlighter. Just like brighten it up a little bit. Now the glow is a bit too bright, so I'm just gonna dull it a little with my foundation brush. I'm gonna go in with this Club Hopper NYX lip pencil and just and I'm gonna go in with this Palladio Plump and Shine pink lip gloss, whatever. I'm gonna go over it with this clear lip gloss. And now for the moment of truth. I'm gonna put on these D328 lashes, as I showed you earlier. So I'm gonna do a separate video on how I put on my lashes. So what y'all think? I got the lashes on. This is D328. I like them. They're different. Like, they're really long. Like, they're really long. But I like them. You know what I mean? Like, they're so long. But I really like them though. Do I look like Antonio Garza yet? I should, like, I'm so gonna do a video where I do my makeup like him, because like I aspire to be him. Like, if y'all see his Instagram is popping. Like, that's how I'm trying to be on that status. You know what I mean? Like, I'm just trying to be that popping. You know what I mean? So what do y'all think? I like it. I really like it. Alright. Well, that's the end of this video. Hope you guys give it a big thumbs up. Also, comment what you want me to do next. I'm open for anything. I'm in college, so I actually have more time, shockingly. I'm going to be filming like 2 more videos, and then that's just about it. So make sure you like, comment, hit that subscribe button. I love to see you guys in the comments. I love seeing my new subscribers. So I will see you later.